Facebook cover design, how to make. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can basically design your cover design on Facebook, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you have a professional Facebook account and you would like a professional background image over here, which means you want to design something that is related to your business or profile, to do this there are many platforms out there, but the one that I personally use is called Canva. So you can actually basically download the Canva app from your Play Store or your App Store, or if you're using it on laptop or computer, you can go to canva.com and basically log into your account. Canva has so many free templates that are available for you to use, including the Facebook cover design as well. So let me open up Canva here. Let me just tap on the templates option here. As you can see, templates, and then the search for thousands of templates tab, just type in Facebook cover photo. So let me just go ahead and type in Facebook, and it will show me a couple of options over here. It says Facebook ads, Facebook templates, and Facebook posts, and so on. Just select a cover photo, select a resolution, and then after that you will be able to go ahead in the search bar, just type in, let's say, Facebook, and then just type in cover design, right? And once you've done that, you can see all the Facebook frames are available. You can select a resolution, and then you can begin designing. This way you can make a Facebook cover design. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.